Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to take a look at your Cash App history. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you've not already. And if you do not already have it, you just want to go to the App Store. So open up your App Store, go to the search bar and search for Cash App. So once you find the application, go ahead and install it. And after installing it successfully, you'll be able to go ahead and open it up. So log in using your phone number or with your login details, doesn't matter whichever way you prefer. And once you have logged in successfully, now we can get started. So this is going to be our home page where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings options, and all the other settings that we have. So now we can get started. So if you want to take a look at your history, it's very easy. All we need to do guys is, as you can see, if you open up this card info tab right here at the bottom of the page, we are currently in the home page section. So if you click on the card icon, it's going to open up your card settings where you can go ahead and open up your card and take a look at all your info. You can take a look at how much balance you have, where you used it, and so on. But if you want a complete and full history of your Cash App transactions and payments, all we have to do is just look right here at the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner, we have the history button that looks like a clock. So you want to click on that clock icon, and after clicking on the icon, it's going to open up your history. You can take a look at all the payments you made, all the transactions, and so on that you had with your Cash App account. And this is where you can go ahead and find your complete history, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.